In this video, we'll be demonstrating how different users see participant information based on the permissions that have been assigned to them. So currently we are logged in as a user that only has view permissions for person/critical incidents/interventions, for the ICO review, manage users, and for aggregate reports. When we search for a participant and navigate to their critical incident, when within their record, users can only see the information and they are not able to edit any of it. So even in the participant record, they cannot edit anything. The critical incident record is also read-only, as well as any intervention records and the ICO review. Next, we are going to log in as a user that has add change permissions for the person/critical incidents/intervention. When searching for the same participant and navigating into their record, you will see that this user has the ability to update any of this information, including the participant record, the critical incident record, and the interventions. This user still has no access to the ICO review record. Next, we are going to log in as a user that has delete permissions for the same permission. And again, same participant. This user now has the delete button enabled, and they can delete records within here. Note that they will not be able to delete the critical incident record. This is because the ICO review record exists, and as you can see, they do not have permissions to delete that. So this would have to be removed before they could remove the incident record. Next, we are going to log in as a user that has add change permissions for the ICO review. And again, the same participant. They do not have permissions for the person critical incident interventions permission. So this record will be read-only, as well as the participant record. They can, however, edit the ICO review record. Note that this person still doesn't have access to delete their record. They only have access to edit the record. And now if we log in as a user that has delete ICO review record or permissions, you're going to see that it looks the same as the one before. However, now they have delete permissions for this record. And lastly, we are going to log in as a user that has all of the permissions. So when searching the same participant, this user has the ability to edit the participant record, the critical incident record. They can add and edit interventions, added an intervention, and this user has the ability to edit and delete the ICO review record. A person that has all of these permissions is able to delete this record. They can delete the interventions and the critical incident. And once those are all deleted, you do have the option to add a new critical incident back if you would like, or you can completely delete the record as well. And this will take you back to the selector page. Now we are going to show you how to add a critical incident record from the case file. So when you're within the participant. So we are going to search and select a participant. When you are in their case file, if you are on either the record node or the incident node, you can select the add button and you can add another record. You must select an incident type and enter an incident date and time. We're going to use the calendar to add the date and select add, and now the new record has been added. So any user that wants to be able to do this must have the add changed permissions for person, critical incidents / interventions.